Alright, so I've been working on the control panel for the new brewery, and made some changes tonight from the original pictures that I took, including some, as I told Damien, some LED bling. So I wanted to kind of run through those, and maybe the whole control panel is built for you right now. So we'll switch over to the control panel, which is down here. This is the control panel. If you're looking at it, it's off at the moment. Each of the switches is a 3-position switch that allows you to go from manual control to auto control, which will be controlled by the BrewTroller, or off. So you have control of any of the relayed devices directly from here. This is the power switch, and then this is what's called the encoder, which is the rotary controller for the BrewTroller, and this is the LCD for it. If you look to the side, you'll see the connections for the temperature sensors, and here is one of the temperature sensors using a 3-pin XLR type connections. If you look on this side, you'll see a water resistant or waterproof USB connector, which will allow you to connect the Arduino board inside, or the Saguino board inside, to a computer to make changes, or to the BrewTroller remote system. And there's the power connector. The last thing left really to do is to add in the relays and so on and so forth. So let's get to what it actually does. Flip the power switch up and on, and you've got it currently is set into the brew monitor mode. You can see the temperature in the room, which is from the sensor that's on right now. I don't have a second sensor put in. So what I added tonight were these LEDs. So there's an LED on each side, manual and auto LED, and then off, of course, is no LED. If I turn it to auto right now, you notice no LED. Nothing turns on. That's because the MLT, or the HLT, the hot liquor tank sensor, is in the off position. So if I want it to be in manual, so I wanted this particular relay to turn on manually, if I flip that, you'll notice that the green LED does come on. So that works perfectly. But it's in auto, it's not, BrewTroller itself is not sending a signal. So what I have to do is set the temperature, and we'll just leave it at the default to 180, and hit OK. And when I hit OK, you'll notice that the green LED comes on because it is now sending a signal. It is actually hooked up through the pin headers on the board. I don't have any of the others hooked up quite yet, but versus being an inline switch at the moment. So if I were to go in again and clear that temperature, you notice the LED shuts off. As well, the other test to make is if you set the temperature and the LED is on, and you flip this switch to the center position, the LED should turn off, meaning there's no power getting to that side of the switch, and you can still turn it that way manually or back to auto. So again, we clear the temp, and it shuts off. So that's my current BrewTroller system, control panel as it stands right now, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube so that you guys can see all of it. Thanks.